Wait, oh, you have to wait for the puppy. You always ask for the puppy.
Lugay kayo mo abot.
Yeah, we haven't buy the puppy yet.
What? Why, mommy? Lugay kayo man mo kuantali padulong.
You really want a puppy?
Yes,
Why?
because I love it.
You love it?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, you have to take care of the puppy.
Haan, puppy? Wala man puppy, darling.
Okay. Why are you crying? Cry. Why?
Wala si puppy.
That's all the reason why you cry. Why are you crying, man?
May puppy gali.
A real puppy is expensive. And the one that you like, the Pomeranian puppy, is expensive. Yeah, she likes the Pomeranian puppy.